I buy a motorbike.
Bruce Springsteen, born in the USA.
Oh, you weren't even lying.
I wasn't lying.
Oh yeah. Like a brook. So you've had this for 8 years.
1982, 85,000 original kilometers.
85,000 on it now.
On it now.
And what was it when you got it?
67,000.
Oh wow. So you've done a few miles then.
A little bit.
You changed the wheels, didn't you? And the tyres.
Changed the rubber. Put a glass sunroof in, and other than that, it's all original.
It came with a sunroof, did it?
Metal, white,
Oh right.
body matching pink.
Yeah, that looks really sweet. Look at that rotary, eh? So this is a rotary that's actually in this vehicle, yeah?
Yeah, this car has two of those
That's
rotors.
heavy, man.
They spin on a
So there's two of
shaft,
these.
two of these in this model car.
Wow.
This is where the apex seals go. This is what keeps it adjusted. This is the combustion chamber.
There's only two of them powering the whole car,
That's
yeah?
it. Very few moving parts.
Wow. And what year is this one?
1982.
82. That's so cool. Look at this, guys. This is like freaking brand new. Back to the Future.
Comes with this 1984 Bruce Springsteen Born in the USA cassette. Something about tuning the dial every 2.5 kilometers to get the station to come back in that gives you something to do.
Cool.
Naturally aspirated choke.
Oh yeah, real choke.
Real choke.
That's
Goes
cool.
up to 7,000 RPM. That's where she's a happy girl. The wife not so much when I'm at 7,000 RPM.
Yeah, I know. The same with mine on the bike. Let's pull the hood and have a look underneath.
This motor is known as a 12A. It's a 2-rotor motor, carbureted.
That sounds so quiet.
Not bad for a 41-year-old car.
No.
The car was built in June 1980.
Okay, so 1981 engine. Oh look! You can see the spark plugs down there. So that's the only two spark plugs, is it? Oh, there's
Stack, it's 2 on each side.
oh, I see. Yeah. On the other side. That's just so quiet.
That's quiet.
And you know what I really like about this? That's a really accessible alternator,
The
right?
most successful alternator you can find.
So if anything breaks, you want it to be that.
Yep. 5-speed, air conditioning.
There's the oil filler, right?
That's the oil filter here.
That's the filter.
That's the filter. It's easy, but it makes a mess because it's upside down.
Can you actually get filters for it?
Oh yeah. All 99 horsepower.
99.
Go to the back. You actually put it near the exhaust. You'll actually hear it you get a taste of the sound. Taste. See the headlights up?
Yeah. Should we go for a ride? Let's go for a ride. Let's... Oh.
Neighbours.
Oh yeah. Both of them work.
Both of them work.
How cool is that?
Those motors are hard to find, but I got about 6 sets of them.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, you got loads of spares, eh?
Lots of spares. Buy them now because they're hard to find after 40 years.
Better shut this piece at the back.
Let's go for a ride.
Let's go for a ride.
Watch your head getting in.
Well, this is the first time I've been in this car. And you. Enjoy it. Oh, I
Told you to watch your head.
So it is really quiet.
Yeah, it's not bad.
There's a sound of its own.
This is a 1982 41-year-old original exhaust. I'm not one of these guys that go put one of those trumpets on the back end of it.
Yeah, you don't need it to sound like a...
No, try to keep it as original as possible.
Stealth is the way.
It's not the fastest car on the road, but because you're sitting with your bum dragging on the road, it feels like you're going pretty quick.
Feels like it, yeah. Feels like really stiff suspension on it.
It is really stiff suspension. RPM, 6,500 RPM, 5,500 RPM.
Feel it, pick it up. And thanks for the ride.
Wow. 1982. It was built in June 1981.
RX7. Wow. Feel like cassette tape. Like my motorbike.
Bruce Springsteen, born in the USA.
Oh, you weren't even lying.
I wasn't lying.
Okay, that'll do it. Cheers. Thanks a lot.